to be going over 4 ways that you can make money online if you are a college student. One way of making money is eBay. So you could sell stuff, you could sell your junk, or you could sell other people's junk for money. And if you see on eBay, right here at the bottom, it says start selling. Click start selling, you set up an account with eBay, and you can start selling products. You know, you could sell a pillow, you could sell, I mean, you wouldn't want to sell money, but you could sell a mouse or a computer. Whatever it is, you can sell it. And, or if you have stuff in your parents' garage, you can sell that stuff and tell them you'll give them a percentage of what you sell. That's actually a really great business. And that's how I actually started out as an entrepreneur. I was selling stuff that I had on eBay, and I made a few $100 each week. And it was a really easy way to get started online. What I moved to is I started selling other people's stuff on eBay and making the difference, you know, making a percentage of the profit. So that's a great way to get started. I like, you know, it's just very simple. You know, buy it for $5, sell it at 10. You know, very simple business model. Okay, so basic tasks are just, you know, it's basic work. And I just signed up for the one place I would suggest and where you'll see the most tasks is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, keep in mind with any of these methods to make money online, you will have to put in your personal identifying information, your social security or whatever it is in your country. And you'll also have to put in your banking information. In order to get paid, you're going to need to put in those parts of information. So don't be surprised when you're like, oh, Amazon's asking for my, you know, banking information. It's, you know, that's how you get money. Now, as you see here on my screen, there's all sorts of jobs on here. There's transcription, there's surveys. Look, here's a survey. Pays you a penny though, okay? So a lot of these jobs are just, they aren't gonna pay much. You could classify kitchen appliances and get 10 cents. You can find somebody's contact information and get 5 cents. You aren't gonna make a fortune doing jobs on Amazon Mechanical Turk, but the nice thing is you can get started right away without any qualifications whatsoever. You just click accept and work right here and you can start making money. It's not a lot of money though. It's not a lot of money. You're not gonna be, if you really push it, you can make $10 an hour, but you have to have qualifications, you have to do all this stuff. So it's really just, I don't even think it's worth it. You know, it's again, there's humans all over the world. It's really pathetic how little value a human with no skills are. But again, you could try it and tell me how much money you make in the comments. I'd love to hear you try it for an hour and let me know how much money you made on Mechanical Turk for an hour. The third way of making money online is social media marketing, and you can find jobs on upwork.com. Upwork.com has a bunch of stuff where you can do social media marketing. I'm just gonna search it right here. So as we see here, there's 2,386 jobs. Check that out, 2,386 jobs of people looking for social media marketers. Now, once again, you're not gonna become rich doing this. This person is accepting proposals for $5 to $10 an hour. Here's another person accepting proposals for less than $5 an hour, okay? So most of the proposals, again, are less than $5 an hour. Here's a proposal for $10 to $15 an hour, okay? So again, if you're working online, they're competitive market spaces. You have to understand you're competing with everybody in the world, so it's just competitive by the nature of it. And if you really want to make big money, you generally have to differentiate yourself somehow. I'm not going to apply to a job, but if I did, let's say I wanted to apply to this job, this person is looking to build their Instagram followers and they need help creating engaging posts. So what you would do is you'd click on the post, you'd click submit a proposal. So this person requires credits to submit a proposal. The fourth way of making money online if you're a college student is really simple. It's affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, there's varying levels. It can get more advanced. And if you're looking to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a video series all about how to get started with affiliate marketing. But I'm gonna show you a really basic way right here, which is Amazon Associates. So if you go to Amazon.com, you'll see at the bottom, they have an affiliate program. It'll say affiliate program. And you can earn, a college student, you can do this. If you're any age, you can do this. And what you do is you just sign up. You see join now for free. It says for free. See that? And you sign up, and when you're on Amazon, you can basically recommend any product you want. I'll show you right here. So let's say I wanted to make money from recommending this book by Cormac McCarthy called No Country for Old Men. Really great book I just finished. There was a movie based on this book. If you guys saw the movie with Javier Bardem. Amazing movie, even more amazing book. This guy is a Gnostic, but you get the idea. But what I would do is I'd simply go up here and I'd click Get Link. See, it says Amazon Associates. So when you sign up for their affiliate program, you'll get Amazon Associates and it'll show up SiteStripe. Click Get Link, click that. You pull down, it will give you a link, and all you'd have to do is you'd copy that link and you'd paste it in social media or paste it in forums or anywhere online. And if people click that link and buy a product, you earn a commission, okay? So it's commission-only sales. Now, a better place to make money online is ClickBank. They pay much higher commissions, but I'm not here to talk about affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, that's how I make money. I do have a free training. There's a link in the description, but I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned a lot from this training.